Hello, update my wonderful audience. I'm here again now to educate us on some things about the blockchain technology, cryptocurrency as a whole. And I think by now you shouldn't be among the ones doubting what has actually come to stay. If we can take our minds back when we used to use cowries, as exchange for goods and services. We translated at the time coins were used. We're using paper, but now things are going digital. So don't be among the doubting Thomas. Grab this trend, and you secure your future. But what I've come to educate us on today is about Coinmarketcap. Coinmarketcap is a company that you must be aware of if you really want to, if you're really into cryptocurrency trading and investment. We have CoinMarketCap, we have CoinGecko, especially CoinMarketCap, that's where you track all the coins you're investing in. You can track to know their market caps, to know their prices, current prices, and what have you. A lot of informations are contained in CoinMarketCap about any cryptocurrency that is on ground. But what I actually have for us this very moment is about diamonds, coin market diamonds. You can earn diamonds from coin market free. Yes, you can earn it free. And what are diamonds? Every day you claim your diamond, and these diamonds you can use them to secure even NFTs. Just recently, the way people buy, use their diamonds to exchange for NFTs, via coin market cap is something very, very, beautiful. And I don't think you'll be there and you allow this gold to just move away from your eyes without tapping into it. So we're going straight to the lesson without much waste of time. So let's head on to coin market cap. Yeah, and then you head on to uh, sign up. I'm going to sign up a complete new account right here. Email address I'm using uh, the password. Create your password. Then referral ID. The referral ID, there's someone inviting you. And let me say something about this referral ID. You can only benefit from the referral system or coin market cap, collecting diamonds. You can only benefit from the referral link if you have collected your diamonds up to 200. That's when you can generate the referral link and you can share it to your loved ones, so that for every 100 diamonds they collect, at that point you can actually withdraw all the points that accrue as a result of them joining using your referral link. So this is my referral ID. This referral ID, and on the description of this video, just check down there, you will get it. So you use it so that we can all benefit from this very system. So these are, so if you want, you can tap it. If you want to get a daily dose of coin market cap, write your inbox. So having done this, I'll create an account. So you allow it to make sure that you're not robot and you're human. You can drag this to fit it appropriately. There you are. So they have sent an activation email. All right, we're back here now. They've sent the email for me to verify my account. So I just tap here, click here to verify your account. I just tap here. Yeah, there you are. With this, your account is verified. You have successfully logged in. My account is verified. Are we together? So after verifying, let's back to our system, no PC. So we just need to click on login. So I get my email, the password, put it on, then I log in. Then you get that fixed. Voila, you've successfully logged in. Now, on a desktop or on a PC, this is very very easy to locate where your diamonds are. Coinmarketcap diamonds. So, for today, for just registering today, I can tap on the diamond, and then you see this is the interface. You see you have 0 diamonds. You see I'm set to collect 10. Over here we have collect diamonds. Now this is for 1 week. You must collect these things every day. When you're on day 3 and you forget or you missed out in collecting it, it will take you back to day 1. Just imagine you're on day 6 and you're set to pick 50. Imagine 50 and you missed out that day. It's taking you back to day 1. So I know how painful that could be. So you need to collect it. They say log in and collect for 7 consecutive days to get other extra diamonds. So you have to be very hardworking. So I come here you tap on collect diamonds. Check out this to make sure you're not a robot. You do that, and when you've done that, guess what? They say collect. They say okay. Guess what? The 10 is marked. The 1 is settled. So after 10 hours thereabout, you'll be coming back here also to get diamond 2. Now all these diamonds, you're not just collecting because you just want to collect. There are rewards. If you tap on rewards, let me show you some stuffs. Under the rewards, you see where you've seen all these sold out. These are land NFTs. This one was just, I think it was just 60 or 2 days ago. It was out, and it's for those that have up to 2,000. You have to be smart to pick this because a lot of people are on ground to collect it the same way you are eager to collect. So there are a lot of stuffs you can get. FC fan token, Santos, FC Porto fan, wow, Lazio, SS Lazio. All these stuffs are things you can claim free with your diamond. So I think it's a great opportunity for us if you really want to make that. So go on, collect your diamonds free of charge. Keep collecting. When you're getting up to 200, you can now get your referral link to invite others, and for every referral you get a bonus. So let's head on to Coingecko. Coingecko also, they don't call it as diamond, they call it candies. If you look over here it's candies. You can collect your candies here as time goes on, and the candies can also be used to exchange for some ebook, very good ebooks. So let's sign up. So here you provide your email. Here you get a password for yourself. Having done that, you agree to the terms and services. If you want to subscribe to your daily newspaper, you do that. Then you verify that you're not human. Train. Next, because you're picking out the trains. What am I doing? Yeah, these are all trains. Yeah. Verify. Yeah, then you now sign up. Alright, so you're in here. You're in here. A message with the confirmation link has been sent to your email address. Please follow the link to activate. So right, I can just head on to my mobile phone so that I can do that very fast so that I can continue what I'm doing. Alright, so let me head on. The same thing we did to Coinmarketcap, so there's no big deal about it. Let me wait for the email to pop up. Yeah, it's here to show up. Just give me some seconds. Traffic and network. Okay, yeah. So it has come. So I just confirm my account. All right, it's coming up. Okay, voila, my account is verified. Okay, let's head on to login now. The email you used, then the password, and you log in. We are in. So what you do here, you see over here, that's where you have your candy. Just click here, and you have your candies. So today we're collecting 10. See, you have 10 more hours to collect more candies. I think we are following this. Now we have rewards. Rewards are where you can use your candies and exchange them for items. So I've clicked on reward. Look at rewards. Most of you have been hearing about NFTs. How to NFT is an ebook. If you have up to 800 candies, you can buy this. So many wonderful things, so many books, how to DeFi. You can get it for 1,400, another host of things. So I think with these, you should be able to be hardworking in getting your candies. And when you accumulate them, you'll be able to exchange them for these wonderful ebooks, wonderful PDF book. I think you got value from this video. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be abreast with every video that drops in here. Thank you so much, and do have a wonderful time. Thank you.